Now let's create this project, the student section project. Okay, so go to File, New. Oh, this is not good. New and Java. And I'm going to call it student project. And then remember, you always need to create a package. So right-click, New, and Package. And we call it, just call it the classes. This is really a simple project. And I'm just going to use this. Yeah, right-click, and let's create the student class. Okay. So, student, right? We said we need the name, which is string, so it's private string name. And we also need age, private int age. And then we write the constructor. Remember, your constructor always starts with public, no return type. And the constructor name is exactly the same as your class name. So public student, and let's accept a name, okay, string name, and let's accept the age. So if you want to create a student object, you must have the name and age. And then we do the this dot name. Remember, this means the current object. This means the instance variable is equal to whatever you have here, that name. Okay. So this dot age is equal to age. That's your constructor. Now let's do the accessors. Okay, accessors. And public. Since we are accessing this, we need the returned value. So for name, the returned value is a string. So public string get name. Remember, it's get followed by the instance variable name. So get name, and we don't have any parameters. And it's just a one-line method. So return name. Okay. Public int get age, because age is int, so you will return an int. Return name, return age. And then we have the what are they called, mutators. Okay. We have public. For mutators, they are all void because you are not returning anything. You are simply changing. So it's the return type for mutators is void, and also the convention for naming mutators is always set, followed by the instance variable name. So set name, give me a name, and I will reset the current name to the name you gave me. Public void set age. Age is an int, so I'm accepting an int, and then make the current age to the age you give me. Now let's do the toString. ToString always returns a string. It returns a string representation of the current object. So public string, toString, and what it returns is the string of the current instance variables. So we will do return name plus some space plus age. Or to make it more descriptive, you can say return string student name followed by name, and plus a new line character, okay, student age followed by age, right? This makes it more descriptive. And let's give it a new line character so that the next one will go to the next line. Okay, so this is the student class.